Hello students, today we will do some numericals from motion chapter for NTSC preparation. First numerical is a body of mass m is suspended by two strings making angles alpha and beta with the horizontal. Find the tension in strings. As it is given in the question, a body of mass m is suspended by two strings. So first we draw a diagram. There are two strings and here a mass m is suspended as given in question, making angle alpha and beta with horizontal. So here the angle, suppose this angle is alpha and this is beta. So we have to find out the tensions in string. Suppose here tension is T1 and here tension is T2. Actually this figure will be given in question. So now we have to find out the tension T1 and T2. Now by making the FBD of mass m, so this is mass m, here downward force will be mg and in strings T1, in second string T2, and this angle is with the horizontal is given alpha and here the angle is beta. Now by taking the components, the horizontal component of T1 will be T1 cos of alpha and the vertical component of T1 will be T1 sin alpha. Similarly, the horizontal component of T2 will be T2 cos of beta and vertical component of T2 will be T2 sin beta. Now, since it is in equilibrium, so we can say here sigma of Fx will be 0 and similarly sigma of Fy will be 0. Now in vertical direction we can write T2 sin beta plus T1 sin alpha equals to downward force is mg. Equation 1. Similarly, equation 2 in horizontal direction can be written as T1 cos alpha equals to T2 cos beta. Equation 2nd. Now, from these two equations, we have to find out the tensions T1 and T2. Here, there are two equations and two variables T1 and T2. So, first from equation 2, we can write as T1 equals to T2 cos beta upon cos alpha. Equation 3. Now put 3 in 1. So T2 sin beta plus T1 is T2 cos beta upon cos alpha sin alpha equals to mg. Now LCM T2 is common and LCM cos alpha. So here sin beta cos alpha sin beta cos alpha plus cos beta sin alpha equals to mg. Now by solving this, as we know sin beta cos alpha plus cos beta sin alpha can be written as sin alpha plus beta. So here T2 sin alpha plus beta upon cos alpha equals to mg. So T2 becomes mg cos alpha upon sin alpha plus beta. Now put this in equation 1. We get T1, which will be mg cos of beta upon sin of alpha plus beta. So these are the tensions in strings T2 and T1. Now next question. Next question, a body released from the top of tower falls through half the height of tower in 2 seconds. The time required for the body to fall through the height of tower will be, means we have to find out the time. As it is given in question, a body released from top of tower falls through half the height of tower in 2 seconds. Suppose a tower of height h. Now a body released from the top of tower means its initial velocity is 0 and it covers half the height of tower in 2 seconds, means when it will cover the distance of h by 2, the time will be 2 seconds. Now we have to find out the time required for the body to fall through half the height of the tower. Now from topmost point A, and suppose it is the point B and it is point C. Now from A to C, u is given, which is 0, height is given, displacement which is h by 2, and time is given, which is 2 seconds, and acceleration will be equals to gravity. So by third equation we can write s equals to ut plus half a t square. S equals to h by 2, u is 0, half a will be equals to g means 10, t square means 4. So here h by 2 becomes 20. So we can write h equals to 40 meter. Now since h is 40 meter, now we have to find out the total time to travel from A to C. So again by applying second equation, but this time from A to C. Previously equation was from A to B. So A to C, again by second equation, s equals to ut plus half a t square. S is 40 meter, u 0, half, acceleration will be 10, t square, t we have to find out. So 40 will be 5 t square. So t square will be 8 and t can be written as root 8. So 2 root 2 second.